That's our rodent stations that we check during the winter time on the exterior. We like to poison the mice on the outside because they'll definitely come out in the winter. It's not always 10 degrees, 20 degrees out. Today it's 60 degrees out. 2 days before Christmas. It's 60 degrees out, and it'll be in the 40s the rest of the week. Look at all this water. And that's not even a big roof. Look at all this water just coming from this little section, just piling up. That's crazy. Look at the whole yard. It's a pool. It's a whole lake out here. What do you do with that? That's crazy. This whole place is filled up with water, so I've got to wear my rubber boots. Wow. Oh my goodness. And the neighbors, they have all their gratings running off into this property. And then you got rocks over here trying to block it. It's insane. It's just all dumping into this property here. So I'm checking the stations on the exterior. I moved them because they are doing some roofing work. They put a new roof on. So I took the stations away. And you see places I wanted to see where they were going to cap them off. I wonder where that's going. I wonder where that's draining off to. My goodness, look at this whole lake. How do you get rid of this water? Oh my God. And then the trees end up dying and end up falling. That's going to be all ice. Got a lake out there. Yeah, well, he said he's going to have to put a bunch of soil out here, and then so it'll channel out. Water goes where the least resistance is at. Here's a station, right here. And you see that red, yellow marker means we didn't catch anything. So that's live. So far there's like 3 stations. I'll come back next week. And they put a brand new roof on, so it'll make my job much easier because I did the wildlife control. And I got a year warranty on this one, so. I'm here just doing a checkup before the holidays, make sure he's good. Everything looks fine. Caught a couple mice, and that's in about a time span of 2 weeks. Okay, have a good day.